Alright, we are doing Thunder Mountain. So it says it's 2.1 to 3, I don't know, 3.2 all the way here, about 4 miles, I guess. We'll see. Anyways, never done this trail before. Trailhead looks cool. Got a ranger here, thank God. So, safe. But, alright, let's get going. Look at all the wildflowers. I think it's just fire paintbrush. Nope. But that's cute. Wherever it is. So pretty. Wow. It gets crazy beautiful up here. It's Thunder Mountain up there in the valley. I don't know if you guys are ready for this. Crazy, dude. That's the entrance to Kirkwood down there. Wow. It's just crazy. I'm gonna go up to this crest up here next and get some more video. That's Caples Lake in the distance. And then that is Highway 88 right down here. And then you got Kirkwood Lake right here. And that's Jack's and Dick's Peak way over there. And right to the left is Pyramid. Something funny. That's the disc golf course I was playing earlier. And now I'm way up here above it. Heading up here. Apparently they said summit's only like a half-mile away. So that's gotta be it up there, right there at the top. I think I see people up there. So let's go get this summit and then run back down. I'll probably catch up to those people on the way down. Let's go get it. Alright, I'm gonna call this my summit because that's the summit. This is a false summit. And I really don't feel like running along this ridge line just to get over there because this is just as good of a view. Every direction. Pretty sure that's Silver Lake down there. So, alright, calling this my summit. I gotta get all the way back down over here. Actually, I gotta go all the way along. Over there. That ridge all the way back. So, I'm gonna go get a shady spot real quick. Drink some water. And then I'll just catch my breath, and then I'm gonna freaking start heading back, because this is the summit. So start heading back over here, get back down to flat ground. But yeah, I'm getting toasted up here. I don't have any sunscreen on, and yeah, it's toasting me. So there's a little shady spot right down here with a tree. I'm gonna go chill, and then I'm gonna start heading back. It's gonna be a lot easier going back because it's all downhill, so I'll be hauling. All right, let's go. Section of the trail, super cool. I just came from this way here, and I was up near the peak up here. I just came down this way, and then you kind of come up over this ridge here. Gotta go up and over this spine, and then it goes back down the other side of the whatever it is, the crest. It's beautiful out here. Seriously. Too bad my arms are completely roasting because the UVs are insane. We go down there. So this is where I start to pick up some speed, because this is going to start being all downhill to the car. So right when I came out of the parking lot, it was just uphill, 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 uphill. And then you see the trail down there. That's where I'm going. And then down there.